Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, let us continue our class about number names from 110 to 120. So let's learn with me. 111. ONEHUNDREDEVEN. 111. 112. ONEHUNDRED 112. TWELVE 112. 113. ONE1HUNDRED 113. THIRTEEN 13. 113. 114. ONE1HUNDRED 114. FOURTEEN 14. 114. 115. ONEHUNDRED FIFTEEN 115. 116. ONEHUNDRED SIXTEEN 116. 117. ONEHUNDRED SEVENTEEN 117. 118. ONEHUNDRED 118. 119. ONEHUNDRED 119. And 120. ONEHUNDRED
120.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.